Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TubeBuddy to improve upload strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect TubeBuddy to your YouTube account, start by opening your web browser. Go to the TubeBuddy website at tubebuddy.com. Click on the Install TubeBuddy button on the home page. Select the browser extension that matches your web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Follow the prompts to add the TubeBuddy extension to your browser. Once installed, click on the TubeBuddy icon in the upper right corner of your browser. A sign-in window will appear. Log in with your YouTube account credentials. After logging in, you'll grant TubeBuddy permission to access your YouTube channel. Review the permissions requested and click Authorize. Once authorized, TubeBuddy will link directly to your YouTube account. Return to your YouTube dashboard. You should now see the TubeBuddy features integrated into your YouTube interface. Explore the menu to familiarize yourself with the different tools available. Use the Keyword Explorer tool to find optimal tags for your videos. Check the SEO Studio to create better video titles and descriptions. Analyze your competition with the Competitor tool. Utilize the A/B testing feature to optimize thumbnails and titles. Incorporate the bulk processing feature to manage multiple videos efficiently. Regularly check the analytics section to measure your performance. Adjust your upload strategy based on insights gained from TubeBuddy's tools. Consider scheduling uploads at optimal times suggested by the platform. Set reminders for your audience to boost engagement once your video is live. With consistent use, you'll refine your upload strategy and grow your channel's reach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.